Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about tornado.
Let's go for a walk. The weather is good.
Yahoo! Let's go, Mom. Mommy, the wind is very strong.
Yes, hold me tight.
Mommy, it's getting dark. What is the sound?
It is a thunderstorm. We need to hurry home.
What is that, Mommy? It is getting nearer. Help me, Mommy.
Hold me tight. It is a tornado.
Help! Help! Someone help us!
Do you know what is tornado? Or how does it happen?
Tornado forms from thunderstorms. When cold and warm air meets in a thunderstorm, they create instability in the atmosphere. The cold and dry air is more dense than the warm and moist air. This creates an invisible, horizontal spinning air with the help of the wind. With an increase in wind speed, it creates a higher horizontal spinning effect as a funnel shape. The funnel shape air rotate increase in height and speed with an increase in wind speed and direction. Finally, the funnel shape air extends from the atmosphere and touches the ground. Once, funnel-shaped air touches the ground, it can destroy large buildings, uproot trees and hurl vehicles for hundreds of yards.
Let's watch the video of tornado. Do you know, you can create your own tornado at home in a jar? Stay tuned with us, Meshnee will show us how to create it. Materials that we need: dish soap, bottle with lid, water and ball. Now, let's watch the video, to see how Meshnee do the tornado in a jar. Tornado is one of the natural disaster. Some points to think about. Do you know the average speed of tornado? How long a tornado can last, the shortest and the longest duration? Or the location where tornado normally occurs? Curious on the answer? See the comment box.